In today's video, we are going to learn the fastest and the quickest way to multiply any number with 99, 999, 9999. So here we have two different scenarios. So let us see what are the two different scenarios if both the numbers have same number of digits. So let me say if both the numbers have same number of digits, that is, let me say if I have 16 multiplied by 99. Here I have two digits over here and here we have two digits. So if the scenario says that if both the numbers have same number of digits, this is one scenario. And the other scenario says that if both the numbers have different number of digits. So let me say if I'm having a number 3562 multiplied by 99. So let us check the two different scenarios. So let me start with the first scenario. So the first scenario says me that if both the numbers have same number of digits. So let me take an example of 16 multiplied by 99. In the traditional method, what do? We do the direct multiplication. So let me say, so how much time can we take to multiply this number? So let us see. 9 times 6 is 54. 5 over here and 4. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 gives me 14. Again, 9 times 6 gives me 54. And 9 times 1 is 4. 9 plus 5 is 14. So now if I add this both, I get 4, 8, 5, and the 1. That is 1584. So this is the traditional way of doing, which will take at least 1 minute or so. But here, since we had the smaller digits, that is only the two-digit number, it was quite easy for us to do in the traditional method. But what if we have different digits or we have a bigger number? So let us see how do we do in the smallest and the quickest method. Let me take 16 and 99. When 16 multiplied by 99. So what I'll do is first let's make a partition over here. So first we will be writing the upper number. The upper number I will be subtracting with 1. So what do I get? When I subtract 16 with 1, I get a 15. And I write this 15 over here. And then let me just take this 99 as it is over here. Now, this is my first step. In the second step, what I'll do is I will take this 15 over here and subtract 99 from 15, which gives me 84. And I will take this 15 as it is in the bottom. So did I get 1584 or 1584, which is same as this? So let us take one more example and look how it works. So let me take an example, 256 multiplied by 999. So first step, what do? I need to subtract the first number with a 1. Let me make a partition. Sorry, my bad. Let me make a partition over here. So 256 minus 1, it gives me 255. And as I know, I will be taking 999 over here and then take this and I'll subtract from 255. So what do I get? What do I get? Yes. So I will be writing this 255 as it is and I will subtract this 2, which will give me 4, 4, and 7. That means my answer is 255,744. Isn't it so easy and simple? Right? So now I will be giving you two examples for practice. So here are the questions on scenario 1. Based on scenario 1, here are the practice questions. So let me say if we have 485 multiplied by 999. This is one question. And let me give you one more as 2345 multiplied by 9999. Do practice the questions well. Now let us go to the next scenario. So the second scenario says me that when we multiply these numbers, when we have different digits. So let me take an example. 3,562 multiplied by 99. Yes, 3,562 multiplied by 999. So what will I do? Yes. So in this case, so let us first try with the traditional method. So in the traditional method, 9 times 2 gives me 18. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 1, which is 55. 9 times 5 is 45 plus 5 is 50. And then 9 times 3 is 27 plus 5, which gives me 32. And again, I have the same multiplied by 9. So I'll be getting the same digits over here. Yes. Now if I add it, what do I get? I get as 8, 13, 6, 2, 5, and 3. So this is my traditional method, which has taken at least 1 minute of time. Now, if I go with this, with the quickest method, so let us see how can we do with fastest and quickest multiplication of this. So if I take 3,562 multiplied by 99, so here in this scenario, my upper number and the lower number doesn't have the same number of digits. So in this case, what I will be doing is, first I'll take the same number. Okay, let me write the same number, that is 3,562. And the multiplication number, the other number has 2 digits. So what I'll do is I will be placing 2 digits over here, 2 zeros. The number of digits, the number of zeros. And subtract it again by the same number, that is 3,562. So when we subtract it, so please don't go for the traditional method of subtracting. You can just do it in your mind. So see, this is 0. 0, if when we subtract with 2, we know it becomes 10 and 2 gives me 8. 9 and 6, it gives me 3. 11 and 5, 11 and 5, it gives me, yes, 6. Then, 5 and 3, it gives me 2, 5, and 3. So the answer is same. So can you see here? This and this answer is the same, right? And it has saved a lot of our time. Do you agree? Let us see one more example. Let me say if I have a number 5,246, which is multiplied by 999. So here I have a 4-digit number and here I have a 3-digit number. So let me take an example. Let us try to do in the quickest way. So 5,246, we write it as it is. And as I said we need to write the number of zeros to the number of digits we have in the other number. So here we have 3 digits. So I'll be writing 3 zeros over here and subtract by the same number, that is 5,246. So instead, please, it's a humble request that we do not do the subtraction in that way. Let us do it directly over here. So 10 minus 6, I know 0, it will be taking a carry forward. 10 minus 6 gives me 4, and this becomes 9 minus 4 gives us a 5. 9 minus 2 gives me a 7. 5 minus 5, so it becomes 5 minus 5, it becomes a 0. And rest of the numbers, we get it as it is. So this is my answer, right? Didn't I get it in a very easy way? So now here I give you 2 practice questions and do practice in the same method. So let me say the practice questions for the scenario 2. Practice questions based on scenario 2. Sorry. Two. So let me give you the question as 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 999. This is my first question. Second question, 1537 times 99. And let me give you one more question. Let me say it is 485 times 99. Yes, hope you like this video. Do practice.